Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ni Amuda, and if you are new, kindly subscribe and click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, of course I welcome you back again. Alright, in today's tutorial we're going to be doing this simple design. Alright, this is not the redesign, but we want to make this image, right, to go through the text, so it makes it look more real, like this guy is actually going through the text. So, well, this is what I'm trying to say. The size is 1280. That's for the width. The height is 1600. Right, so I'm going to take this guy hat now and take this guy hat, and we're going to start afresh. So the first thing I'd like to bring is the text. Right, so for the text it's going to be a limit. Okay, alright, then I'm going to choose a long font, and I've downloaded one called Tall Boy. Yeah, that's the name of the font, Tall Boy. You can get it free from I think that font. You can get it from that font there. Alright, then let's pad it to bring the T out. Let's also increase the spacing, the line spacing. No, right there, the spacing is too much. Limits. Alright, then let's drag it. Alright, so I want to centralize everything at the middle, but I'll still bring it down a little. Okay, I'm going to use a red color. Alright, then for the background, let's get a white background, but let's get a bright white background. Alright, so we'll get a white background very quickly. Well, while that is loading, let's go. Let's get the image we're going to be using. So it's going to be this image right here. Okay. I want the red to be the exact red in the shoes, which is this one here. Alright, then which is this. If you look at the image very well, you will see a shade of yellow. So can we work with that? Let's see if it's gonna work. If we're using yellow, then the text is going to be white then. But for the sake of clarity, this was what we want to do. This image right here, I'm going to take out the colors. Okay, alright. Alright, then I'm going to make sure it's going through like this. Then I'll just go ahead and lock the image. Okay, then I think I've locked the image. Alright, it's locked now. And then the text, let's centralize it again. Okay, now we're going to do this. we're going to remove all these text. This is letter L. We'll copy it and centralize it. And we'll move it here. Okay, this is L and this is going to be I. Alright, then we'll pull it away from it. Okay, yeah, this is I. Alright, you can see that the legs are already going through. Then we'll copy this, and this is going to be M. So put it like this, and we'll bring it this way. No. Alright, this is going to be him. Let's adjust it. Okay, and it's going to go back. Alright, then this after M is going to be another I, which is this one right there, and we're going to put it there. And we'll try to make it sit like the others. Alright, and I think we can send this to the back too, but let's leave it like this. Then the next is going to be T, which is going to be there, letter T. Alright, and we can send this back, or let's send this to the back and bring this to the front first. Okay, no. Let's send this to the back. Alright, and let's bring this to the front. Perfect. So this is just this kind of stuff we want to do. Let's add shadow to the picture. Let's add shadow to the picture. Okay, let the shadow drop. Then I think we're good to go. We can go ahead and work with the background. Let me see. This video should not be long. Okay, and brightness, contrast, saturation. I think I'm gonna go back to that. I think I'm gonna go back to the white. Alright. so just a little text there. Alright, this video don't have to be long. Alright, so we can just put something there. Alright, so it doesn't have to be long, so 10 minutes are done. So just a simple design actually. Okay. Alright, there is a word there, break through the limit. Alright, so I'm gonna break through your limits. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. We're done for this design. So for this, we can add shadow to it. Where are you? This is a text. Come to shadow. Let's see if this is gonna work. No, it's not necessary. Right, so just a simple basic design actually. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.